guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So you must be thinking, why do I look so tired? It's night time now. I had a really long day, and I want to test this product which I got from Wow Skincare. It's called the 10-in-1 Active Miracle Face Cream. So this is the face cream, and they say it's really moisturizing. It has a lot of properties. It's really effective. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is the packaging, and it looks really fancy. I will tell you the amount. This is for 649 rupees, and it comes in a box like this. So it has intense moisturization, total protection, plus natural nourishment and damage repair. So it's made with a lot of good things like aloe vera juice, raw honey, cocoa sherbet, butter, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, etc., vitamin E and C, a lot of things. This also has SPF 15, so you can apply it during the day, but I want a cream which I can apply it at night. So I thought I'll apply it now. I'll wake up in the morning and see if my skin is still hydrated. So we'll do a 6-hour test, and I'm going to open this box now. Okay, this is what it looks like. The bottle is really fancy. So let's see how to apply this. They say to apply a small quantity of Wow 10-in-1 Active Miracle Cream and gently massage it using your fingertips and cleansed face. Okay, so firstly you need to wash your face. I've done all of that, and I've removed all my excess makeup, and I'm going to apply this cream now. Oh, okay, so this is the glass top. Okay, so this is the cream. I'm going to take a small amount and I'm going to apply it on my face. This smells amazing. It's like you're applying some fragrance on your face. It smells really good. So guys, I've applied it on my face and neck as well. For now, I don't think it's very greasy, so it's good for people who have dry skin and combination skin as well. And the smell is amazing. It's like you've applied some perfume. So I've applied this now. I'm going to go to bed. I will wake up in the morning and then see how it is. So bye guys, good night. Hi guys, good morning. So I just woke up and I just want to see that yes, my skin is still feeling quite hydrated. It's not gone. I mean, this face cream is really good, I feel, because my skin is really dry, and then I had to do the test. So it's been 6 hours now and it still feels really moisturized. So I think this is a total yes from me. I think it's really good for all skin types. For oily skin, you guys can use it during the day maybe, and plus it has SPF 15, so it's a really good day cream. But I want to test it and use it at night. So yes, it's been 6 hours and still my skin's moisturized, so I think it's a must buy. It's a really nice cream, smells amazing, and you should go and get it. So thank you Wow for this cream. It's really nice. And if you guys have tried any products, or if you guys want me to try something, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.